My name is Rudy Canchola. I'm Western Regional Applications Engineering Manager for Mazak Corporation. This is our first major project with PROLIM. We were instructed to use PROLIM by our customers, so we really had no background of what PROLIM was or what they did. We were pleasantly surprised when we got into the project to realize that PROLIM was extremely professional and very quick to create the posts and edits and modifications that we required for our project. Our project had an extremely tight deadline, and they worked very, very hard and worked with us to make sure we hit that deadline. Customers looking for accurate post-processors, programming ability, and/or software for simulation, I would definitely recommend PROLIM. Worked great for us.